How to add a router to T-Mobile home internet. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add your own router to T-Mobile home internet to improve your Wi-Fi coverage and control. Step 1. Prepare your router. Make sure your router is compatible with T-Mobile home internet, supports DHCP, and WAN connection. Reset your router to factory settings if it was used before. Step 2. Connect to the T-Mobile gateway. Locate your T-Mobile home internet gateway device, the modem/router provided by T-Mobile. Connect an Ethernet cable from the T-Mobile gateway's LAN port to your new router's WAN internet port. Step 3. Configure your router. Power on your router. Connect to your router's Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet cable to a computer. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. A login with the default username and password. Check your router's manual. In the settings, make sure the router is set to obtain IP automatically, DHCP, on the WAN/internet connection. Step 4. Disable Wi-Fi on T-Mobile gateway, optional. To avoid Wi-Fi interference, log into the T-Mobile gateway settings. Find the Wi-Fi settings and turn off Wi-Fi if you want your router to handle all wireless connections. Step 5. Test your connection. Connect your devices to your new router's Wi-Fi. Check if you have internet access. Restart devices if necessary. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more internet and tech setup tutorials.